Hi there, thank you for tuning into this video. I'm Don McDonald. I'm the president and one of the founders of Alpha Aviation here in Owatonna, Minnesota. And I'm here to talk about our line of light general aviation jacks. As you may have noticed, the jack cylinder itself was shipped horizontally. So the air pocket that's stored inside here right above the oil level now is distributed in such a way that in many cases when you set up to pump it initially, one or both sides will be pumping air. So we need to correct that, and the easiest way to correct that, tip it back like this, pump it fairly briskly until the ram extension is following the pumps. If there's no resistance on one side of the pump or the other, or the jack ram is not coming out of the cylinder in direct response to the pumping motion, we can burp it. And the easiest way to burp it is to get it up some distance, open the valve, and then force it back down. And you'll hear a burp if you're successful at getting the air out. Then if you close the valve, the cylinder should move up on each stroke, and you just pull it back and forth. And on each stroke, you're getting a lift when you pull up on the handle, you're getting a lift when you push down on the handle. Close the valve and proceed to jack the airplane.